Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can enable the vertical tabs or vertical tab feature in the Waterfox browser. So let us dive into this. Launch Waterfox, and as you can see guys, here at the top, I have several of these tabs open. Now, if you prefer having these tabs here on the left hand side or on the right hand side, guys, you can move them from the top. This is how you can do it. You will need to access the sidebar first. You can do that by clicking into this button in the top left. And from here in the sidebar, right click into it and select turn on vertical tabs. There you go. And now your tabs are all listed here to the left. Now, of course, you can always turn off that bar or vertical tab bar here, for example, or customize your sidebar and, for instance, move it to the right, like here. And that is going to move your tabs to the right or move it back to the left. And in general, close that window and turn off vertical tabs. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.